What's going on, everybody? This is day 60 on the path to $30,000 a month. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life. In the past 3 years, I've had multiple businesses, and now I want to take you on a ride with me through my ups and downs in business so you can see if you want to get into it, or if you're already into entrepreneurship and you have businesses, comment down below, message me, we'll talk, we'll chat, we'll support each other. That is what this channel is all about. So today we're gonna get some FBA shipments out. We're gonna get some customer order stuff figured out. I may go to a coffee shop and get some work done. I have a lot of back end work I need to get done for sure. But yeah, it's just gonna be a pretty chill day. It is absolutely beautiful out in Encinitas. If anyone lives in San Diego, comment down below, let me know. I'd love to link up with you guys and get some coffee or something. So we're gonna go do that. So let's get started with work. And at the very end of this video, we will go over my analytics and show you the conversion rates with my website, and then also my revenue from yesterday to show you how much money that I made yesterday. So I got a supplier to actually create me a sample of a decal, and it's actually a decal because I was running into issues where they kept thinking it was a sticker, but it's cut out vinyl. That is what a decal is. So let me show you the sample. I'm probably gonna work with them. Pretty stoked. I have a sample here, and then they showed me this is a window or a glass, and so they put it on there, and then they sent me a video of them actually creating it. So the transfer tape on top, and then they peel it off, and then they place that onto the window. So super pumped. Taking me close to 2 weeks trying to find a supplier, and I think I'm gonna go with them. So very cool. We'll see how much it's gonna cost. From what they told me, it's a pretty good deal, but I will let you know the final price on what I'm trying to do. Super stoked. All right, so I got an update on my Amazon seller reserve. I told you I have like $10,000 in there and they won't give it to me. Well, now it's at like 13,000 and they're still not giving it to me. So I called them, and so they're escalating the issue because apparently the guy that I was on the phone with couldn't even figure it out. It's not even updated on his end. And so trying to figure that out, and also trying to get some violations knocked off on my Amazon account so that we can have a higher review, and then I don't have this issue again. So just trying to figure this all out. It's kind of I'm kind of nervous. I'm like, I have this money sitting in this account and I'm not getting paid. So kind of nerve wracking, but that is business. Like you can't expect things to always go right in your way, you know? So anyways, that's the update. Hopefully in the next 24 hours, they'll get an update with an email stating that they can fix the problem, hopefully. So yeah, anyways, let's get back to the video. All right, y'all. So we are getting shipping labels printed out right now. And then we started to get some decals laminated, or stickers, sorry. And then here are the decals. We are de-weeding and putting together and packaging. And then I had a few of these medicine bottle prank toys that I got out, and then I got a little bit of customer orders that I had to get out as well. So I am now doing all that. I had a couple other decals that I had to get out as well. But yeah, that was pretty much it. That was the whole day. All right, so starting off with Google, we spent $19.96. So I figured out what the problem was. It was a really high paying keyword, but I was only supposed to spend $10 a day. So I'm not really sure what's going on here. We spent $10 today. We made 333 clicks, so at 3 cents per click, sorry. All right, so we got 90 visitors and a 0% conversion rate. We had one add to cart, so pretty bad L. We made $18.53 on eBay yesterday. And then we did $671 on Amazon yesterday, so another decent day. But at a total of $690 we made yesterday, not bad. And then a total of $18,658 on the 30th, baby. But that's only 18K. We're supposed to be at 30, but I can't complain. I mean, it is what it is. We made $2,000, I think it was about $2,000 or $3,000 less than last month. It fluctuates. That's life, and I have control of a lot of things I can do, but timing and waiting on things is something I can't force. It's impossible. I can't run to China and grab product and run it back over here. I know what I need to do, but it takes time, and sometimes it doesn't happen within the 30 days, and we're working on a lot of things. So if you guys like these videos and want to see me hit 30K, please follow my journey, subscribe down below, and also give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. It helps find other people that are interested in watching my videos that are also entrepreneurs as well. So I would hope to see you all tomorrow for day 61. So we'll see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your Thursday, and I'll see you all tomorrow, Friday. See you soon.